The challenges Learn.com has helped us overcome was the ability to self-document or to document online courses. This was a huge challenge of ours in the past because originally we had only 7 online modules, and those 7, when a person completed the online module, it would either print out a certificate, paper, or it would feed into a database, which was then printed out bi-monthly and put into another database. So it was essentially double documentation. So it really did help us out in that sense. It also allowed us to have approximately, last year alone in 2008, over 6,000 enrollments. Many of them self-enrollments where we did not have to fully document who attended. The individual was able to register for a class, and all we had to do was identify who attended or who did not attend. We were able to document the web-based training modules seamlessly without human intervention, so that did make it easier. Unfortunately, as a result of that, we exploded from 7 web-based training modules prior to Learn.com to over 200 in-house developed modules. On our business, Learn.com has made an enormous impact. We were able to move out of only looking at instructor-led training and be able to look at blended learning environments, be able to look at now we're starting to use social networking at its very baby stages of using discussion boards and chat rooms where we have groups of individuals who may have similar interests. We've got a new policy or a new program that's starting next month called the RN Residency Program, where new grads who've just completed their education and who have just received their nursing license will go through a residency program similar to physicians, to doctors. And they're using the chat rooms, the discussion boards, developmental plans, things like that. So in that sense, it's really has made a huge impact on us. Since we've initiated Learn.com, I personally have received 3 promotions. My initial promotion was to become LMS Administrator and LMS Administrator. And then I became LMS Administrator and Instructional Design Supervisor when we started hiring other instructional designers. And recently I accepted a leadership management position with the hospital that oversees not only the LMS, but also all computer applications training. So personally, I have built my career on Learn.com. The #1 reason that we selected Learn.com was the ability to do self-registration and calendaring. We had an initiative where we were doing electronic medical records. We were rolling out electronic medical records to 12,000 employees. And we needed a system where all we had to do was put the classes up there and people could register. They could see when the classes were available, and we did not have to have a pool of people on telephones waiting to take your registration. That's why we started it. Now where we've moved from that initial point is leaps and bounds from there. But that's why we chose Learn.com, because they had the most seamless integration with a calendar. I clicked on the calendar, I clicked on the enrollment, and then I enrolled, and that was it. Overall, my client experience with Learn.com has been favorable. As with any new relationship, there are ups and there are downs. But Learn.com came to the table with us at UHS of Eastern Carolina. We were able to hash out any differences that we've had, and we were able to move forward and move past that. So overall, it has been very favorable.